right up on the opponent. For rapping and trapping, I'm truly the king. They still trying to see how I do everything. From movies to business to politics, real estate. Used to take risks with the shit on the interstate. Now I make move to make sure my kids is straight. Hold up, let me get this straight. 100 rounds should be worried about the ways of a turtle. One eat from the trees and one eat from the dirt. You tough on your song, but you timid in person. That shit counterfeit, shit get paid for your verses. They be so good, make her go on a perk. Then how I find out Pee Wee winning the perk. Now all of the man is all I deserve. Came in the bitch and I had it my way. Go down for respect, like get that out the way. Wake up for smoke, you can have it your way. Your patience to spare, I don't have it to play. Beside that, nigga down trap.
That's on me, baby, yeah. That's on me, baby, yeah. That's on me, baby. Nigga be lying on me. That's on me, baby, yeah. That's on me, baby, yeah. That's on me, baby. Hey, brakes on me, I
There's a car right beside you.
She licking on me like Cool Whip.
What?
Left my hoe, I got
car right here.
New Bentley on my truck. Might get a lamb truck too. Got a new chopper finish. I got a bitch jumping through.
Ew!
Got a money racket
Wow.
to the roof.